meantime, it will remain a secret. Right, Lala?
All right. Let me proceed with the third question.
They became so close to me. They act as my sister to me, and they always support me. And of course, my advertisers, my boss. Every time I meet a wonderful person, interesting person, they are the people who really inspired me a lot to where I am now. And one thing more, it is the hard work and the perseverance that made all these things successful in 10 years' time. As long as you are, you know what you are doing. You know what I'm doing, it tickles my ego. And I always said, I need to work hard, and I knew that money will always follow at the end. And I think it is true, right? Because I have this, advertisers, a non-stop advertiser who keeps in believing in me, and who keeps in believing, of course, Celestial Cable TV. Because the production is, of course, through Celestial Cable TV.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, so now we have realized it's wit and wisdom combined. Let's give her a big hand for that. You know, in my introduction of you, I said that you were a woman of essence. Now, if I may add another, that you're a woman of wisdom. Yes, because you have not forgotten the blessing of God. So it's always God. You always attribute it to God, the reason for your success and your inspiration. Which reminds me also of the Filipino saying, kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Yan. Pero wala tayong nilaga kanina. Dapat pang tanghali yun eh. Okay. Alright, so another question, Ms. Sinchun. Among the